Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the dark mode on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the profile section at the lower right corner of the screen and click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the page. Tap to the settings and privacy option, and in the your app and media section you can find the accessibility option. Here you can find the dark mode, and here you can turn on or off the dark mode, and you can select the system default option and just click to the on or the off button and on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.